Welcome to my Chinese app, Chinese language learning app called Chinese Word Map or Chinese Character Map. And it is based off the Mandarin Blueprint method where we break down a character into components, the way it sounds, the way it looks, um, and even like different parts of the way it sounds into different pieces. And then we use those pieces to build a kind of story. We call it a little movie, this method. If I'm going to go ahead and um, go ahead and run it, show you what it looks like. Just a simple Python interface here in the terminal. The database function is built in Firebase. And I'm going to go ahead and access my first collection. I have two collections. This collection holds users. And I'm going to pull out this user. And I'm going to check. I'm going to go ahead and do a read real quick. I have some movies here that they don't really have anything of meaning in them because I just threw a bunch of data in there just to see if it worked. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make a new one, right? Um, I can test Chinese characters. My Chinese keyboard has been fighting me recently, so I won't worry about adding a new Chinese character into it. But I will just say, let's see, let's just throw some words in there and see how functionality it is. And these are all components we need to have. I won't go into the logic of the method itself, but this I need to break down different things. Set would be the final sound, so O, and Chinese characters have tones, 1 through 5, but the fifth one doesn't. There's 1 through 4, and there's a no sound tone or a non-tone, and then let's see, dragon flying home. Put those down for a little script. Now actions, I can view all of these, right? I have 3 different scripts that have all been saved. This is for my view. I just showed you I can create stuff. If I'm showing the create here, my little menu here, this is the first case. It triggers the create scene function. I have it split up into an app file and a models file. And if I go up to my create here, it runs through, sets up the kind of format in the dictionary. Um, with the Firebase, it kind of translates between a JSON and a dictionary here from how they have it set up, their format. But Python reads it we have to translate it over to a dictionary here in Python and throw it back over. And then when we view over here, right, it's a read. So we read. We're pulling over through. We're finding it based off some criteria. That's what the where clause does, similar to a SQL, except this is a non-SQL database. And then we go in and we stream it. Some interesting things. There's lots of good functions that we have access to, lots of good methods. The format for Firebase uses documents that are inside of collections. I'm using 2 collections here, one for the users, one for their movies, and then the documents are their actual entries. I can update those. And here with the updates here, the update I have it set up to just update the script itself of the movie. This could be applied to any of the different dictionary like key value pairs though. And like if I was going to edit, I'll show you action 3. It's going to say, which one do you want to edit? I'm going to look through up here my characters. Oh, I have one labeled toast that I haven't really done much with because when I was testing toast, the new script I'll have is eating breakfast. And it's going to pull through, and now it's eating breakfast. Now that's been updated. It updated the document here at the ID of the character. And then I want to delete one. Let's do number 4. And I deleted the character. I find the where, right? Delete scene. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to delete it at that ID. I'm going to delete number. Let's get rid of number. Which one do I want to get rid of? Let's get rid of. So let's get rid of toast. And there we go. It's been removed. Thanks for watching and seeing the functionality of this.